Hello law aspirants, I'm Megha Sharma, Director Surya Law Academy, Chandigarh. Today's video is going to be about the information on the PUCET test for law in Chandigarh. So basically, this test is for the course which is BA, BCom, LLB 5 years integrated program in law. This test is for 3 centers. Most of the students think this test is only for one center, that is in Chandigarh, but the answer is that this test is for 3 centers. One is the University Institute of Legal Studies, Panjab University, Chandigarh. The other one is the University Institute of Laws, Panjab University, Regional Center, Civil Lines, Ludhiana. And the third is the University Institute of Legal Studies, Swami Sarvanand Giri PU Regional Center, Bajwara in Hoshiarpur. So basically, PUCET test law covers 3 centers. One is in Chandigarh, the other is in Ludhiana, and the third one is in Hoshiarpur. There is a different distribution of seats. Let's study that. So, as far as the seats are concerned, in Chandigarh, there are a total seats of 180 for BLLB and 180 for BCom LLB integrated course. There are 60 seats each for the Ludhiana and the Hoshiarpur center. So total seats are 180 plus 180 plus 60 plus 60. Although you must never forget that there is reservation. That means 50% of seats are reserved and 50% are for the general category. Now let's discuss about the entrance test. The entrance test is known as I've already told you, it is known as PUCET law. That is Panjab University Common Entrance Test for Law. And this paper is a 100 marks paper, wherein each question consists of 1 marks. Not to forget that there is negative marking. In case you get a wrong answer, 0.25 is deducted, and in case of correct answer, 1 marks is awarded to you. If you leave any question unattempted, then nothing is done, no marks are deducted for that. So 100 marks for PUCET exam. What does this 100 marks include? 100 marks comprises of 60 marks for your current affairs and GK. We'll be making another video as to how to study for this. Today's video, I'm just going to be telling you about the distribution of the questions. So 60 questions. Now this we are referring to the prospectus directly. 60 questions will be based on testing your general knowledge and current affairs. 20 marks for the aptitude for law, which is your legal awareness. 10 marks is testing your mental ability, and the rest of the 10 marks are for your English language. To mention here, this paper is available both in English, Hindi and also in Punjabi. As most of the law entrances are only English bias paper, this entrance is one entrance which you can give in 3 languages, that is English, Hindi and Punjabi. And obviously the English section will be in English only, not in Punjabi or Hindi. So every year this exam is conducted in it is conducted annually, that's just once a year, and this is usually around end of April or beginning of May, and the forms are available around March onwards. So that means next year, March 2024, the forms will be available. And also I would like to mention here about the calculation of the marks, that how is the merit list for PUCET calculated. So basically, once you give an entrance roundabout in May, in 10 days, within 10 days, you get your first merit list. This first merit list is known as the preliminary merit list, and the first merit list, only your entrance marks are there. So once you have you give your entrance, out of your 100 marks, you get your merit based upon the marks you've scored in your test. And within 10 to 20 days, you need to fill up the admission form, also known as the counselling form. So this form is available immediately after the first merit list comes, and in this merit list you have to fill in up your details regarding the percentage and the subject wise marks scored in your 12th standard. So during that time, roundabout in the month of May and to June, most of the central boards give up their percentage of the 12th result. So you need to fill up those details and also your category details or any other vital details which are asked in that form. So you need to fill up that form, and once that form is filled and submitted, within 20 days you get your second merit list. How is the second merit list decided now? Second merit list is evaluated by 50% of your entrance marks and 50% of your qualifying examination. What's qualifying examination here? Qualifying examination is your 12th standard percentage. So 12th standard ki 50% percentage and 50% of your entrance test, that is evaluated, and the aggregate of that, according to that aggregate, you get your second merit list. Also, only those students qualify this exam who get at least a minimum of 15 marks. Most of the students tend to ask us that we have not qualified this test. It is because you have scored less than 50. So when you score more than 50, only then you have your name on the second qualifying list. So once you submit your marks and everything, then there is a schedule which is announced for counselings. There are 1 to 2 to 3 rounds, and all these 3 rounds are held only in Chandigarh. As far as the counselings for Ludhiana and Hoshiarpur are concerned, they are held in this campus only. So you need to be physically present during the counselings. Your name will be called, and if you are not there, then your admission is considered to be cancelled and you will not be given seat. So physical counselling is imperative in Panjab University. It's mandatory. And during your physical counselings, no PI is put up, no person interview. You need to have your physical documents with you, comprising of your details regarding the 12th marks which you've submitted or any other reserve category, that proof and everything. You should be carrying that. So basically, this is the entire process for PUCET. In our next video, we'll be discussing how to approach PUCET. How can you prepare for these entrances, about each and every subject in detail, and how Surya Law Academy can help you to achieve your dream in Panjab University, University Institute of Legal Studies. That's it for now. Thank you so much for